Welcome to a new video of the Parts channel. Well, I'm going to make a short video answering a question that you have left me. Do I have to put it in the machine after changing the MAF sensor? The flow meter? Put it in the machine, it means to the diagnosis machine. Well, let's see. If you have not found any fault in the frame, it is simply to change one part for the other and that's it. You don't have to put the machine in, okay. Instead, if you have now that fault has already come out in the frame, let's see. It may happen that until you reset, it does not recognize the part, with which it will not work well. You have to reset to erase that fault. In fact, in more modern vehicles, even when changing the air filter you have to put the machine in, okay, to rectify the MAF, which is as if it would be a forced regeneration of the particulate filter. Only that it lasts less and also, well, as I say, it may happen that you have once this fault has been resolved and when the part is changed, the fault will be erased from the frame, but still thus, there the part would work well. In principle there should be no major problem, but my advice is that you also put it in the machine there to reset and erase that fault, because if later you get another different fault in the car, as there is no deleting this can create confusion when looking for what is the problem that the vehicle has. Okay, I tell you from experience. Okay, well, here you have this short video. If it has been useful, do not forget to like it and subscribe to the channel.